No better feeling, is there? Just getting on it. Dodging branches and that on the morning. This is an hard corner. Oh, the grip's phenomenal though today. Yee! That's sick. Oh, maximum concentration. You. Whoa, that log can catch you out. Let's see if he does. Getting tight. Damn. Oh no. Oh no. Maybe. Oh. Whoa. Proper got me good that. Wow, that hit pretty hard. That was a hit. Ooh. Absolutely smacked that. Yeah, proper clipped it, look, chipped it and everything. Fire's still burning. Just see the helicopter in the distance with the water thing on. Yeah. Oh. Oh. That was slippy. Woo. Are we on? Yes, we're on. Slippy in there, isn't it? That has got some skids about it. Oh my god, it's so slippy. Woo! Might put fan on. Woo! Oh my god. Whose idea was this? We're in now. Oh, look at this. Wow. That's going to take some epic riding, is that bit? To get up there. Yeah. Alright, going to make it up there. We'll use this moment in the video to showcase these new air screen goggles. Been on about them a bit lately. They're like a little, see that little locking thing? Air vents. Shut, open. Lets a bit of air in. Well good them. Get them from, well, I got them from PCT suspension. Yes, now. We're not getting up that, are we? Oh, lovely, Bob. Interesting. Two lines going on here. Don't know which one to watch. This is sick, isn't it? Yeah. Woo! Some guys took some hammer today. This is class. That's what we were looking for. That old chesy.
I hope this is fit. No.
Hey, this is living. Yeah. Get on it, Cookie. How would you know?
Stand on it.
Yeah, well, let's clean it. What do you reckon? Let's put some grass in, but this could be on. Look at it. I'm glad we got here. It would go. Alright, another little one up at front. You're up, kid. Oh, Robert! Robert! That was amazing! Well done, Bob. Bobby, nil, point. That was unlucky. I pressed camera on just before it happened. This is sketchy as. Clean! Bobby's leading us across this bit of moor. Normally on the other side of there, look. Let's come to see the fire, but not a lot to see really now. Look how dry it all is, no wonder there's fires. Apparently someone had left a campfire burning. Another story was that they'd done some controlled burning and it got out of hand. Yes, Bobby. Ooh. Not good. It's not good that at all. I'd love to see a helicopter come over now. Where?
Just dump a big thing on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bad news, guys. The moors are on fire. Big shout out to all the rescue people, volunteers. We've just been asking if they wanted a hand with anything. If there's out we can do to help. Volunteers there, look. Is it warm, Bobby? You can see it's still on fire there, look.
What?
You can see them bits are on fire.
Just here?
Yeah. That's bad, isn't it? Yeah. I mean, you can't see naked flames, but it's just smouldering away. It looks like there's smoke coming out of woods.
Yeah, you can see there, can't you?
Oh, there's markings on them trees, they're coming out. I'm sure they do it on purpose, just to wind us up. If we build a trail, then they use it to get the trees out. They've levelled it again! Oh no! That just got epic! Now it's ruined again. Needs a storm. Bobby's beat me. motoring. Flying. Woo! Just lower me ground, innit? That's the better way that way, Bob. Woo! I think that's going to be the end of the day. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. Get your tyres at endurotires.com. Get your suspension done at PCC Suspension. And yeah. We'll see you on the next one, eh? Bosh! Here. What have we took wrong line?